In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a six-figure online business with AI. Creating a six-figure online business with AI involves a strategic combination of technology, innovation, and effective business practices. Here's a step-by-step guide for you to help you build a successful online business using AI. First, you want to identify a niche. Choose a niche for your online business based on your interests, expertise, and market demand. AI can assist in market research to identify trends, customer preferences, and potential gaps in the market. Number two, market research with AI. So you can use AI to analyze market trends, competition, and consumer behavior. Platforms like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can provide valuable insights. AI-driven analytic tools can also help you make data-driven decisions. Number three is AI-powered product or service development. Consider incorporating AI into your product or service. This could involve creating AI-driven applications, tools, or solutions that address specific needs within your chosen niche. For example, an e-commerce store might use AI for personalized product recommendations. Number four is you want to automate processes with AI. If you want to build a six-figure business, you have to know how to automate processes, okay? So streamline your business operations by automating repetitive tasks using AI. Implement AI-based tools for customer support, order processing, and other routine activities. This efficiency allows you to focus on core business strategies. Next, you want to implement AI in your marketing. So you want to leverage AI for marketing strategies. You use AI-driven tools for targeted advertising, email marketing personalization, and social media campaigns. AI can optimize ad placements, it can analyze customer behavior, and it can enhance your overall marketing ROI, the return on your investment. Personalization with AI. So you can implement AI powered personalization on your website or platform. Provide personalized content, product recommendations, or user experiences based on individual preferences. This enhances customer engagement and satisfaction. In this video, we're going to talk about how women entrepreneurs, small business integrate owners AI into your business, AI to prioritize data security and privacy. So you can use AI for very data security and privacy. We're just going to give you a list while you're building of ways, and in the next video, ensure compliance with regulations in more depth and implement robust security measures. You might think, well, these tips can apply whether I'm male or female. That's true. Trust. But number eight, subscription markets and recurring revenue. Consider incorporating subscription models into your business. Sort of just AI not can using these strategies yet customer preferences as much as males are. And so this really is just a reminder of different options available for you. So the first way is to automate repetitive tasks. This helps you implement AI-powered automation tools to handle routine and time-consuming revenue models. And this will allow you as a female entrepreneur to focus on strategic decision-making and creative aspects of your business. Number two is to identify potential you use chatbots to enhance and optimize your affiliate marketing. So you integrate AI-driven chatbots on your website or your social media platforms. These chatbots can provide instant responses to customer inquiries, improving engagement and enhancing the overall customer experience. You can, number three, use AI-powered quickly. And
marketing
staying ahead of the
strategies.
curve ensures
Use
that your
AI
business
in
remains
marketing to
innovative
personalize
and
content,
competitive.
analyze customer
11 is
behavior,
scale
and
and
optimize
diversify.
digital
Once
advertising.
you've established a
AI tools can
successful
help
model,
tailor
consider
marketing
scaling your
campaigns to
business.
specific target
Explore
audiences,
opportunities to
increasing the
diversify your
effectiveness
offerings or
of
enter related
outreach
markets.
efforts.
AI
Number
can help
4, you
analyze
can use
market trends
AI to
and
help with
identify
data
growth
analysis
opportunities.
so that you can have more
Customer
informed
feedback and AI
decision
sentiment
making.
analysis. Utilize
Leverage AI
AI for
analytics tools to
sentiment
process
analysis to
large data
understand
sets and
customer
extract
feedback.
valuable
This helps
insights.
in
This data-driven approach can
refining,
inform strategic
product,
decisions,
services, and
product
customer
development,
support.
and
Positive
marketing
customer
strategies, leading
experiences
to more
contribute to
informed
brand
and
loyalty and
successful
business growth.
business decisions.
Remember
Number
that
5,
success
you
in
can use
building a
AI in
six-figure
your small
online
business to
business
enhance your
with AI
productivity with
requires a
AI
combination of
collaboration tools.
strategic planning,
So explore
continuous
AI-powered
learning, and
collaboration tools
adaptability
that
to market
facilitate
changes.
communication
Stay
and project
focused
management.
on
Again, we'll go
providing
into this in
value
more
to your
depth in a separate
customers,
video. These
integrating
tools can
AI
enhance team
where it
productivity,
enhances
especially in
efficiency
remote
and
or
personalization,
flexible work
and
environments.
consistently
Number 6, you
refining your
can
strategies
implement
based on
AI in
data-driven
financial management.
insights.
Use
Thank you
AI
for
for
listening.
financial
Please
analysis,
subscribe and grow with
budgeting,
us.
and
Have a great
forecasting.
day.